In a bid to promote eco-friendliness during the upcoming Ganesha Chaturthi celebrations, the Bangalore Political Action Committee BPAC organized a Clay Ganesha making workshop at Ulsoor Lake. The event witnessed an impressive turnout of over 300 enthusiastic participants, including people of all ages. The workshop aimed to educate and encourage individuals to refrain from purchasing plaster of Paris POP Ganesha idols. Raghavendra HS, program head at BPAC, highlighted the environmental harm caused by discarded POP idols in lakes post celebrations, leading to pollution and harm to aquatic life. The objective was to instill sustainable practices in children, hoping they would adopt these alternatives for future festivals. The instructors encouraged children to unleash their creativity by designing their own Ganesha idols. Attendees also had the opportunity to photograph pre-made clay idols featuring banners celebrating Mera Bharat Mahan and the successful Chandrayaan 3 mission.
POP Ganesha creates a lot of environmental hazard, and the more POP Ganeshas are used and immersed in the lakes and water bodies, those water bodies and lakes are going to get contaminated. So BPAC has come out with a beautiful alternative to create clay Ganeshas. So if you create clay Ganeshas, you will definitely celebrate a grand Ganesha festival. Also, when you immerse it into the clays, so the clay is going to dissolve and you are going to save the environment. So I congratulate B-Clip that they have organized this wonderful training camp here to train our kids to make clay Ganeshas and promote it in every household. So last 4 or 5 years I have been associated with this program with B-Clip, and our constituency usually takes lead, and every year we start this camp from our constituency so that the other people can follow.
So this is more related to keeping our environment pollution free, and historically we've been using plaster of Paris Ganeshas and with all kinds of paints, chemical paints, and this over time has been adding to the pollution load in our lakes when we immerse the Ganeshas. So some years ago there was an initiative to go out there and change this. After all, you don't have to have a Ganesha that is in multiple colors. The original Ganesha was created out of dust and clay by his mother Parvati, right? So in that spirit, I think we should also create Ganeshas out of eco-friendly materials, and when we immerse it, there will be no impact on the water, and more than anything else, we will be treating Mother Earth with the respect that she deserves. So this message is because so many youngsters are here, they will take it back to their neighborhoods, their apartments, and they will spread that. It will become a larger movement that will change the way we go about practicing our traditional religious practices.
I myself am a biologist, and environment is very close to my heart. In fact, nature is so important that we breathe, we eat, and we take care of our health only if we have a good environment. So with plastic, POP, we are going to spoil the environment and water that we drink. So these are crucial things for our life, and I am sure that if we follow these steps of having clay Ganesha, our water bodies will not be polluted, and when our water bodies are not polluted, we will have good water to drink and better health for the future and the future society also.
I liked it so much. It was a nice day. I wish this always continues forever. I like to do this, making this Ganesha. It was fun to make this Ganesha. I will tell them that I had a fun time making. I wish you also came with me, so you would also have fun time with me.
It's a very nice opportunity. Last year we can try everything eco-friendly for the environment. Even though we don't know much about saving all this stuff, they have given us lot of information about saving the environment and we had many chief guests unexpectedly coming to our place. It was a very nice experience. This is made of clay, so POP is harmful for the water as well as us. So we can everyone use this only. It's very helpful.
This was a very good experience because till last year I used to waste the clays like anything, starting to make Ganesha. But this year I've done something very useful, and this is the last year of my schooling also. I'm in 10th. So I've made something useful this year for Ganesha Chaturthi. I've contributed something good. So it's better you avoid using POP and start using eco-friendly like this, and also teach your kids, also encourage them to do more like this.
நான் இப்போ கணேஷா பண்ணிக்கிறேன் பாருங்க.
Since I'm from Pottery Town, from childhood I've been doing this, and in this field it's always a lovely thing, to learn and to teach, and it's lovely to see these kids already doing amazing artifacts. They're doing amazing Ganeshas, and I'm really happy to see that. I think I must be happy, to have this platform to teach them, like to work with them. Really happy about that. I see their involvement very well in it. They're so amazing already. We already say this, kids are the artists, right? We don't have to teach them how to make art. They're already amazing at it. I'm happy to be with them, be around them.